So when I first started, I tried to work the beehives with bare hands, and sometimes I can do that, but I don't know, something about midsummer I get hammered. So I didn't really want to use the gauntlets. They're great and all, but the problem with gauntlets is, I mean, you get in there and you can smush some bees. And a friend of mine over in Georgia told me that he uses nitro gloves with cotton gloves underneath, and I came across these and I thought they were pretty cool, and I thought I'd share them with you. So here are the cotton gloves that you put underneath it. All right, just go in your hand first. Then you put your nitro gloves on. Now these, I believe, are 9 millimeter. Um, could be 7 millimeter. I'm not even sure, but I'll put the description in the link, or I'll put the link in the description. But anyway, this works really good. It's kind of cool. I'll see if I can put them on for you. So here we go. Put the cotton gloves on. I'm going to tell you about the cotton gloves. They'll soak up the sweat, especially during the summertime, because you will sweat. All right, throw the little loop on my thumb. Now I've already used these, so I've got to reverse them because for some reason they don't slide on one side. So I'm going to reverse them, shake them out, and then I just kind of blow it, kind of like that, you know, make the turkey. You know what I'm talking about. And then they'll slide on a lot easier. If you don't reverse them, put them the way they're supposed to be made. Well, if you don't put them the way they're supposed to be worn, they won't slide, and it's a pain in the tail. But there it is. It's pretty thick. Covers all the way up past the wrist. Because I was using plain nitro gloves that only come to right here, and they were tearing me up right here. Because if you work, you're going to expose some areas. So this has been working pretty good. And I just went through several hides, pretty deep and hardcore. And you'll see me wear these, and seems to work. So I hope that little tip helps out anybody. But all right, you guys have an awesome day.